Let us recall.
We find many interesting patterns around us. In nature, we find them on leaves, on flowers, on butterflies, etc. A pattern is a set of shapes or numbers or letters which are repeated.
Patterns are classified as logical patterns, numerical patterns, and letter or word patterns. These can be further classified as repeating, increasing, decreasing, increasing and repeating, decreasing and repeating, direction, direction and repeating. Some of the examples of patterns are repeating patterns. Here is a paper frill. This paper frill has one black colored dot and one white colored dot. Thus, it's a repeating pattern. Here the pattern is LM, ML, MM. Then again LM, ML, MM. So, this is also a repeating pattern. Growing and increasing patterns. 1 circle, then 3 circles, then 5 circles, then 7 circles. This is growing and increasing pattern, adding 2 circles with each step. P, then PQ, then PQR, then PQRS, then PQRST. This is also growing or increasing pattern, adding 1 alphabet with each step according to the alphabetical order. Tiles. The method of putting the tiles together without gaps is called tessellation. You will find interesting patterns in flooring and wall tiles. You have seen tiles in your home, office, and shopping mall. In this picture, we have blue and green alternate tiles.